In this video, we will talk about how to perform a restock on your machine. Start by navigating to the Restock page at the bottom. Here, you will see a list of all the machines in your account and their post-restock inventory, remaining inventory, and the amount of products currently needing to be replenished. Select a machine to view or modify the machine's capacity, current inventory, or to begin the restocking process. Let's begin with device capacity. Device capacity is the total amount of a product in a machine after it's completely filled. Another name for device capacity is your PAR level, or max value. To modify this, click Device Capacity and enter the maximum quantity of each product based on your planogram. In this case, we will say that there are 2 lanes of 7 bottles for each product, totaling to 14 bottles. Here, we will enter 14 for each product. Click Save Configuration at the bottom. Then click the arrow at the top to return to the main page. Now that we know the device capacity, we can easily restock the machine. To replenish the machine, click Open to Replenish to the left of the screen. Click Yes, click One-Click Restock at the top, then click Confirm. This will autofill the quantity of products needed to fully fill the machine. From this page, you can also unlock the door by clicking the Open the Door button at the top of the page. Once the machine is completely stocked with product, click Confirm at the bottom. If you find that the product quantity in the machine is inconsistent with what our system reports, you should modify the machine's inventory. To do so, click Inventory Check and enter the actual quantity of products you see in the machine. Once completed, click Counting Done at the bottom. If you would like to set an alert when this machine's inventory is low, click Edit on the right side of the yellow bar at the top of this page. Here, you will enter the percentage of remaining inventory the alert will activate at. In this example, the alarm will activate when the total inventory reaches 50% of the machine's capacity. Press Save once finished to activate the new alert setting. To find more information on our system and its features, please feel free to view the OPS documentation sent to you by your representative. Thank you.